We have a Viking, a 30-inch stove. The model number is right here. It's VGIC3054BSS. And I'm going to show you how the wirings are here. It looks like the wires were not connected properly here. So there's two thermostat wires. One red wire comes from the side from the thermostat, and it goes right here on the top igniter for the left hand side. And for your information, that igniter being used on this unit is also not original from Viking. This one is original from Viking, and you can see the difference on the color too. So this thermostat wire goes here, and then from here for the same igniter, the lower wire from the igniter comes and goes at the bottom of the safety valve. And then so this is done, and then the next part we have is another red wire, thermostat wire again, comes out from the side, and it goes on the top part of the right hand side igniter, goes here. That's done. And then the wire from the bottom of the igniter from the front right gets out from here, and it goes straight to the back of the safety valve on the gas valve here, and goes there. So this is also done. And then of course, as I mentioned before, the bottom of the gas igniter wire comes from here and goes at the bottom. Remember, there's a jumper wire that comes from the top of the gas valve, and it gets jumped into here on the neutral side. And then this wire that gets out from the bottom front of the gas valve is your neutral, and it's going straight to the back side. That's all. This customer's complaint is that the right hand side burner lights up, the igniter comes on and it lights up, you get gas flow, but the left hand side is not working. I went through the testing here. Everything seems okay except this gas valve. It's called dual gas valve. One side is broken, and because of that you are not getting any power going back to the gas valve.